Today you will see the best shots from the German Porsche factories. So have some snacks, sit back, relax and enjoy watching. First part is from manufacturing Porsche Taycan in Zuffenhausen factory. Since its founding in 1931, all Porsche cars have been made in Germany. This part begins with assembling the car body using KUKA robots. This is followed by body painting, and then assembly line and quality check. The second part is dedicated to the production of the Porsche Panamera and Porsche Cayenne in a German factory in Leipzig. The third part comes from the assembly of the new Porsche 918 Spyder. The longest is the fourth part, which shows all the activities in the production of Porsche 911 Turbo S. Painting body, front bonnet, painting wheels, interior trim, seats, saddlers, assembly, exclusive manufacturer and luggage set. This woman works in the saddlery section of the factory, where the Porsche Spyder is made. More of the car's interior production will be in the video later. This is what the last work on the Porsche Spyder looks like before the final quality control. These footages are from the final paint color quality control, this time at the Porsche 911. All defects and shortcomings from the painting robots are checked right here. Now you can see what the painting wheels of the Porsche 911 look like with a laser. That is pretty cool process. Let me know below what is your opinion about that. This woman is also from the saddlery department, but in the factory, where the Porsche 911 is made. Her job is to sew seats and the car's interior. This is the final manufacturing process and assembly of the individual Porsche 911 parts together. The first completed Porsche Taycan came off the line in the unfinished final assembly hall in December 2018, just before Christmas. The Porsche Taycan was revealed fully production ready at the 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show. As Porsche's first series production electric car, it is sold in several variants at different performance levels, and may spawn further derivatives in future models. More than 20,000 Porsche Taycans were delivered in 2020, its debut sale year, representing 7.4% of the total Porsche volume. Taycan is Porsche's sixth model line, joining 911, Spyder, Porsche Macan, Porsche Cayenne, and Panamera. Porsche factory can produce 20,000 Taycans annually. Porsche is spending more than $1 billion to bring its first electric sports car to market, almost $800 million of that on a dedicated new factory. The Porsche Taycan factory includes a facility that assembles e-motors, transmissions, and axles, along with a dedicated body assembly line, a new paint shop, and a 2,900-foot-long conveyor that transports bodies, e-motors, battery packs, and axles to the final assembly hall. Now the entire Porsche body is immersed in an anti-corrosion bath. All parts of the car will be painted. Robotic hands sprayed the whole car with paint. This activity is done entirely by the machine, and worker only controls all the systems on the computer. Thanks to this technology, the layer of paint on the car is even with the highest quality. Porsche employees are now checking the quality of the cover. High quality and flawless paint coating is absolutely important for this car manufacturer. In this final production section, the doors are removed to be completed on a separate line, while the interior is fitted into the body in a process that combines industrial assembly and manufacturing. After the interior has been installed, the assembled car moves to a new means of transport. Up to this point, a lifting station has been used, but it is now replaced by an overhead rotation unit that is used when fitting the brakes and fuel tank, enabling ergonomic working conditions for the fitters. The car moves through the exterior line next, on a lifting station again, this one with adjustable height to facilitate ergonomic working. For example, the exterior line handles fitting of the windscreen, rear window, main headlights, and seats. It is also where the doors are refitted, and the famous Porsche badge attached. Porsche Cayenne is a series of mid-size luxury crossover sport utility vehicles manufactured since 2002. Even this year it is produced here, as you can see. Porsche Panamera is front-engined and has a rear-wheel drive layout, with all-wheel drive versions also available. It has been produced since 2000 until today. Porsche race cars have won roughly 24,000 races across the globe. Harley-Davidson uses Porsche engines in some of their bikes. Interesting fact is that Ferdinand Porsche died the same year as Enzo Ferrari. Ferdinand Porsche, the eponymous founder of the company, made the world's first hybrid electric vehicle in 1899. Let me please know if you would want to work in Car Factory, and especially in Porsche Factory in Germany. Ferdinand Porsche developed a four-wheel drive Formula One car. As you can see, many activities in Porsche Car Factory are done by hand. This is one of the main reasons for the higher price for Porsche cars. Production of the Porsche Panamera is almost over. The wheels will now be fastened, followed by quality control, test drive and other finishing activities before being transferred to dealership. This was the production of the Porsche Panamera and the Porsche Cayenne in Leipzig Car Factory. Definitely don't leave. Now let's look at the production of the Porsche Spyder. The Porsche 918 Spyder is a limited production mid-engine plug-in hybrid sports car. Production began on September 2013 and production ended in June 2015. Price for the new car was around €720,000. Porsche factory produced 918 pieces of this car, so it is great opportunity for enthusiastic car collectors. This is how the engine parts are tightened. No screw may be tightened too much or too little. The country with the most orders is the United States with 297 units, followed by China and Germany with approximately 100 orders each, and Canada ordering 35 units. In September 2013, a Porsche Spyder fitted with the optional Weissach package set a Nürburgring lap time of 6:57 on the 20.6 km road course, reducing the previous record by 14 seconds, and making it the first street-legal production car to break the 7-minute barrier. This work is very demanding on accuracy and error-free. This is one of the reasons why a number of control mechanisms follow to find any errors. Each of the 918 cars has its own unique serial number label. All Porsche Spyder cars are valuable collector's items. According to its battery size, the Porsche Spyder was eligible to a federal tax credit of up to $3,600. Now the workers are attaching the side body of the car. In my opinion, the best color on a Porsche Spyder is this beautiful red. Again, gap measuring is very important. The last finishing assembly processes and another Porsche Spyder from the limited edition can be released to its new owner. This last part is about the production of the Porsche 911. You can look forward to all procedures such as front bonnet, engine production, painting body, saddlery, seats manufacturing, painting wheels with laser, badges, interior trim, assembly line and quality check with test drive. What makes the Porsche 911 Turbo S exclusive series so distinctive is its exclusive gold and yellow metallic paint finish, and the various components in carbon, like the bonnet, roof and side skirts. The two carbon weave strips that contour the roof and bonnet accentuate the sporty look of the car. Now it's time to manufacture, polish and attach the front hood of the Porsche 911. The Porsche 911, one of the most iconic names in all of motoring, was almost a Porsche 901. As you can see, the typical black streaks on the hood are just stuck. The only mistake of this employee, and all the work has to be done again. This front bonnet is almost ready for assembly. Checking the thickness of the paint with this technology is pretty high-tech. You will find not only the thickness, but also any inaccuracies or differences in hue. The newly styled 20-inch 911 Turbo S exclusive design wheels with central locking device combine high-tech with handicraft. If you're curious how the black painted 20-inch wheels are carefully finished in gold and yellow metallic using a new laser technology, make sure to see the manufacturing process in this video. The interior of the 911 Turbo S exclusive series is inspired by the exterior and defined by carbon. This lightweight material is used for the decorative trims of the dashboard, the door trims and the center console trim. The first indication of the devotion with which is refined the interior of the new 911 Turbo S exclusive series. The Turbo S apostrophe logo in gold and yellow embroidered on the headrests. Second indication, the extraordinary seam pattern on the seats with decorative stitching also in gold and yellow. The overall impression is completed by the perforation of the seat centers, each of which features two perforated pattern stripes, again in gold and yellow.
drehen.
The 911 Turbo S exclusive series is being intricately finished by hand in the new Porsche exclusive manufacturer at the headquarters in Zuffenhausen. Get an insight of the saddlery in this video. Porsche 911 is produced since September 1964. The 911 has been raced extensively by private and factory teams in a variety of classes. It is among the most successful competition cars. In a 1999 poll to determine the car of the century, the 911 was fifth. It is one of two in the top 5 that had remained continuously in production. The original Beetle remained in production until 2003. The 1 millionth example was manufactured in May 2017 and is in the company's permanent collection.
Genau.
Porsche claims that the car will have a wet weight of 1,470 kilograms.
Vor allen Dingen brauchst du die
Rausnehmen.
The 911 Turbo S exclusive series is an exceptional release, a complete one of a kind. In addition to its high performance, it is characterized by exclusive body parts and even higher quality interior fittings. Zuffenhausen, the main factory and Porsche headquarters are located in Zuffenhausen, a district of Stuttgart, Germany. This is not only where Porsche sports cars and engines continue to be manufactured, but this is also the site of the very first Porsche car produced. Unlike other automakers, both standard production Porsche models and Porsche racing models are built on the same production line. Zuffenhausen also serves as the location for the management team, logistics group, and quality management division of Porsche. Leipzig, the second Porsche factory, where the Panamera and the Cayenne are made, is located in the German state of Saxony. The Leipzig location also boasts a 3.7 kilometers FIA-certified racetrack and off-road track, where event guests and visitors can experience the exhilaration of Porsche performance firsthand. Weissach, the Porsche Research and Development Center has been located in Weissach, Germany since 1971, and is currently being expanded and upgraded. Visitors will find a wind tunnel, a state-of-the-art design studio, and an electronics integration center. Sachsenheim, home to the Porsche warehouse. This location stocks over 85,000 different Porsche parts available at any given time. The 911 Turbo S exclusive series is being intricately finished by hand in the new Porsche exclusive manufacturer at the headquarters in Zuffenhausen. Previously known as Porsche Exclusive, the in-house workshop specializes in tailoring to customer wishes, as well as being responsible for limited edition series. The car has a roof made of magnesium, front lid, front and rear spoilers and boot lid made of carbon, front and rear apron made of lightweight polyurethane, rear and side windows made of polycarbonate, and features a titanium exhaust system. The manufacturing process is a sophisticated task. Besides the use of valuable materials such as leather, carbon, wood or aluminium, most important asset is human hands. They are often the only tools that meet Porsche's high demands. When applying leather, paint, and polish. When cutting and sewing, as well as when assembling in the Porsche exclusive manufacture. Always in due time. Or put another way, with great care, calm, concentration, passion, and dedication. That is how art of craftsmanship always creates a coherent whole in the end. This is what the handmade gold exclusive inscriptions on the Porsche 911 look like.
Weiter vor. Stimmt, der ist gut. Setzen und begutachten, genau. Wunderbar.
Sollte es sich fahren lassen?
This was the production process of the Porsche 911 from the beginning of production until the final badge's installation. Let me know in the comments section, what do you think about that, and what Porsche car do you like the most?